Hello children, open your GK book, page number 11, India, Major States and Languages. Languages, the system of communication in speech and writing that is used by people of a particular country. Hindi is the language spoken in most of the states in India. Hindi is the national language also. Here, look at the picture. Mention the alphabet representing the language of given states in circle. First one, Punjab. In Punjab, people speak Punjabi. In Karnataka, people speak Kannada. In Gujarat, Gujarati. In Maharashtra, Marathi. In Odisha, Oriya. In Assam, Assamese. In Tamil Nadu, Tamil. And in Kerala, people speak Malayalam. Go for next page, page number 12. Famous inventions and their inventors. Invention means to make something that didn't exist before. The person who discovers or invents something is called a discoverer or inventor respectively. Various inventions have made our life easy and comfortable. Here are some inventions and the inventors. Match these inventions with their inventors. Car was invented by Carl Benz. Aeroplane, Wright brothers. ATM, John Barron. Mobile phone, Martin Cooper. Telescope, Hans Lippershey. Telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Steam engine, James Watt. And computer, Charles Babbage. Go for next page. Foods for brain. Our brain is a very hungry organ. It is the first one to absorb nutrients from the food we eat. Here are some foods: eggs, beans, nuts and seeds, spinach, milk and yogurts, oats, fish. All these are some foods which are good for our brain. Write the names of the foods below their pictures by taking the help of clue box. First Indian woman, Meera Kumar. First Indian woman speaker of Lok Sabha. She is an Indian politician and 5 times member of parliament. Mother Teresa, first Indian woman to receive Nobel Prize. She was known in the Roman Catholic Church as Saint Teresa of Calcutta, was an Albanian Indian Roman Catholic nun and missionary. Saina Nehwal, first Indian woman to become world's #1 badminton player. She is an Indian professional badminton singles player. She won gold at 2018 Commonwealth Games in women's singles. Kiran Bedi, first woman IPS officer in India. She is a retired Indian Police Service officer, social activist, former tennis player and politician who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry. Kalpana Chawla, first Indian woman to go into space. She was an American astronaut. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. Indira Gandhi, first woman Prime Minister of India. She was an Indian politician, stateswoman, and a central figure of the Indian National Congress. Pratibha Patil, first woman President of India. She is an Indian politician who served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. A member of the Indian National Congress, Patil is the only woman to hold the office. Bachendri Pal, first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. She got her first taste of mountaineering thrill at the age of 12 along with her friends scaled at 13,123 feet high peak during a school picnic. PV Sindhu, first Indian woman to win silver medal in Olympics in badminton. She won silver in women's single at Commonwealth Games 2018. She was also a silver medalist at the 2017 and 18 BWF World Championships.